In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape websites for useful information. For example, what products they have, what information they have. It is very simple, but very useful technique. So this is going to be actually one of the simplest videos. I'm going to build something similar that I have right here, which is a web scraper for websites to give me product information, but a bit shorter scenario for this video purpose. First you need is HTTP module. And here you need make a request. Let me add it. So in this module, basically what you need is to paste URL from which website you are taking information. For that, I'm gonna use example website that I used in my previous video. As method, you leave get because you're getting information, and basically everything else you don't need to change. So let's save. Second thing you need is text parser, because from first module you are gonna get everything as HTML file and you need it converted to text. As you can see, HTML to text. And here basically you only paste everything from the first module. Save. And that's it. That's how you have all the information as text. Obviously, as a human, it is a bit hard to read so much text. So that's why AI comes to help. I'm using Rock, as you know from my previous videos. Let's create competition. Let's take this fast module. First message that I'm gonna add is system. And for system, input is gonna be the text that just came from the previous text module. And then I'm adding user. And here as user, I can ask different questions. For example, what is this website and what do they sell? Let's click save and run it once. And the results you can see that this website is called blah, 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 which appears online store, blah, 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 and sells those stuff. So this is the simplest way. But let's say you actually want to export those products to Google Sheet, like I showed in my previous video. For that, you're gonna need to ask AI to list you all products. So I'm asking AI to output me only products and links. That's actually gonna be a very easy one. As you can see, AI did it pretty good. But the thing is with this, it's gonna be output everything as a one text. Let me show an example. For that, I'm gonna need Google Sheet. Add a row. For example, I need product URL and price. Let me add here. Let me save it. So here now, I'm gonna choose the sheet. As you can see, it has my product URL and price. But the point is, it outputs AI results only as one text. So if I put results here, let me run it one more time. And now if I go back here, you can see it's actually only here. This row is actually completely empty. To fix that, you need to output text as a JSON file, as you can see here. Let me add JSON module. And for that, you need parse JSON. Here you need to create a structure. Let me create and add specifications. For example, the one I wanted was product name. I don't have to change anything else. This is the important part. Also, I needed URL. And the third thing I needed was price. So now I have all those three things here. And let me click save. And for JSON string, I'm gonna use results from the AI. But the problem now is that AI is not outputting me this as JSON string. For that, I need a specific prompt. If you don't know how to do it, you can ask AI to help you. I'm just gonna copy this one that I have here and explain it for a bit. So as you can see, first thing I'm asking is extract a list of products that is provided by this data, and then straight away ask it to be JSON file. And here I ask each product must be a product name that I just asked. AI was capitalizing everything, so that's why I'm asking AI not to use capital letters. Include URL and also price this time. And now I'm asking it to return back as a JSON file. And here is the example. And I'm also asking AI not to add any extra double quotes or markdowns or JSON surrounding stuff, because sometimes AI just doubles it, but if you add this text, it will cut it out. So this is text I'm using. Let me save it, and actually let me also map out already Google Sheet. As you can see here, it has now product name, URL, and price. So product name, URL, and price. So now what it's gonna So now what it's gonna take is take the URL, from the URL extract every text it has, give it to AI, and with AI create a JSON file. So you inputted one big text, and from this text you get elements. So you can those elements individually put in Google Sheet. So let me run it. As you can see, it now works more than 6 times. And if we now go back to Google Sheet, you can see it added specifically a product name, URL, and also price. Basically, that's it. That's how you scrape website. Instead of product name or product URL, you can ask for website information, for contact, or you can collect data to your Google Sheet and, for example, do like I showed in my previous video, how to post everything to social media. This is the simplest one, how to scrape website. I think for this video it's enough, and in the next videos I'm gonna show more advanced scenarios that you can use in actual practice or for your clients. Have a great day.